sharing my screen. Okay, is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, write down today's date
Already done it.
and the topic analogy.
Enology.
A-N-A-L-O-G by analogy.
Analogy.
Or analogy.
Okay.
Okay, so there are
Okay.
common and different types of analogy over there. Let's see and understand with the help of an example over here. Two example I can see over here. Example 1 is B is to hive and B is to apiary. Okay, now B is common over here. In the first example, if I see B is to hive, what is the relationship between B and is a place. It is kind of a
It's,
home for the
yeah.
bee. Yes.
Yeah.
So I can relate it with the home of an insect. Yes, of a fly. Over here, B is to apiary. Apiary means the it is the what we call it as um, when we just like we have cultivation, we do farming of vegetables or crops. In the same way, when for commercial purpose, bees are taken care of for honey and all, that process is known as apiary.
Oh, okay.
Okay. It is just kind of bee yard. Okay. For you can say bees are being cultivated for commercial purpose. Okay. It can be for the extraction of the honey. Okay. On the large purpose. Okay.
Yeah.
So when we take care of bees, cultivate them, it is known as apiary. So over here, what are we doing over here? We are looking for a relation between the two things. What kind of relation it is? Okay. It can be, for example, day is to night. Day is to night means they both are opposite of each other.
Yeah.
And it can be synonym also, it can be antonym also, it can be like in numbers also. For example, 2 is to 4 and
It's
4
two.
is to 6. Yes,
Yeah.
or 4 is to 8. What are we doing over here? We are just doubling them.
Double.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is how we find a relationship between the two things, and on what basis the relationship is being there, we figure it out. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's move on. Okay. Method 1, I have already told you that you have to analyze the word. Word is related to either the antonym or the synonym, or it is like, we have to find out that thing. Okay. It can be a group of word, it can be a meaning of some word, it can be just the opposite, it can be square, cube of a number, or it can be a part of something. Okay. Let
Yeah.
us see the first question over here. Okay. 4 is to 6 they have given. Okay. And over here they have given the options. 3 is to 10, 5 is to 25, 7 is to 35, and 8 is to 60, and 6 is to 30. Now, if I
The
look at,
answer is
now,
given.
yes, I have done it for you. Now, if I say 4 is to 16, so over here, 16 is the square of 4. Yes? Over here, they have given 4
4 square
and
is 16.
He gave
4
4
times 4
squares.
is, yes, 4 times 4 is
16.
16. So over here, I have to find a number who is written as a number original digit, and in relationship, I need to find its square.
Cube, no square.
So 3 is to 10 is not a square, 7 is to 35 again, no. 8 is to 16, not at all. 6 is to 30, no. 6 fives are 30. So I am left with 5 times 5, which is
25.
25. So that's why 5 is to 25 is my answer. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are moving on to the next question, okay?
Further is
I hope the concept is clear. What are we doing over here? Satvik
Really?
and Mohammed?
Yes.
so we're looking at the relationship and then
Look
finding
for
thing that
relationships
has-
in different, in same and different stuff.
Yes, good. So shall we move on to the next question?
Yes.
Okay. You will get mixed questions over here, okay? Because this is verbal, you'll be getting mixed questions.
Yeah, some with numbers, some with words.
Yes.
What is going on here? What is going on here? No. What? Huh?
What is the relationship between 2 is to 7? Yes, Satvik?
Do you plus 5?
Yeah.
Plus 5, okay. Mohammed, you feel the same thing?
Yes.
So if I'm doing plus 5, I'm not getting any answer over here?
So it's none of them, right?
Yes, it's none of them.
True.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it is none of them. Okay, if I see this is, what is the cube of 2?
The cube of 2 is 8.
The cube
8,
of
right?
2? Yeah.
Yes. Cube of 2 means 2 times 2 times 2.
Which
So
is
it
8.
is 8 minus 1 gives us
7.
7. So in that way also, I am not getting any option over here. So
Yeah.
that means my answer is none of these. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to another question. Shore is to sea.
So, like shore is land and sea is water.
So it's next to each other. So like the
Yes,
shore is
Mohammed,
next
correct.
to the sea directly. Same
Yeah.
thing. Oh, the footpath to the road is correct.
Yeah.
Yes. If you know the answer, kindly you can text me privately, okay?
Oh, okay.
Right.
A, B, C, D, E, okay?
Okay.
Okay, yes. Because they are beside each other, the land, they are next to each other. Pond and lake, no. Bus and train, no. Road and ground, no. And yes, road is next, or footpath is next to the road. So footpath is to road is the correct explanation. Okay?
Yes.
Or okay, let's go to the next one. Sunflower is to light.
Oh. So sunflower is to light.
Sunflower needs light. So for the growth of sunflower, light is needed.
Oh.
Or sunflower is driven to light. Have you seen? Have you heard?
What?
The sunflower changes the direction wherever the
Oh yeah,
sunlight
yeah.
is
It
there.
changes. Oh yeah, to
It
like
moves its head
grow.
or its flower where the sun goes.
Where the sun goes. Okay.
So
So torch is to battery? No. Why? Because torch need battery. Okay. It is to generate energy, but here we are not seeing any energy generation. Okay.
oh
Then I have ink is to print. Ink is needed to print, but here we are not doing any such kind of, we are not making anything, we are not manufacturing anything. Okay. Mold is to humidity. Mold grows into humidity. Yes. So here we are talking about the
oh
sunflower, the direction. So it is also not the answer.
oh
But the correct answer is scholar is to books. The source of knowledge for a scholar is book.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So analogy is not that easy as it seems to be. We have to be very particular about the concept. What is the relationship between these two words? Okay. Work is to motive. I'm sorry.
Work is to motive. What's in work and motive? What's the
What is a motive?
motive is like something that motivates someone, that inspires someone.
You inspire, that's why you work for it. That means motive is required to work. Motive is the source, I would say, to get you work.
Motive is the thing that gets.
I think I got mine.
Okay. So
Satvik, what is your answer?
hmm,
What?
The correct answer is we require petrol
yeah.
for the car.
Oh yeah.
Mirror is to glass.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Mirror is to glass. Music is to violin. We play music with violin. Match to matchbox. Match is kept in the matchbox. Shirt is to cloth. Cloth is required to make shirt, or shirt is made up of cloth. Air is to flow. There's a flow in the air, or none of these. Mirror is made up of glass. Yes, you both are correct.
C.
Medicine is to dose.
What's those?
Dose is it's a prescribed quantity you're
Oh
supposed
yeah.
to take the medicine.
Like a dose of medicine.
Yes, like doctor has said or asked you to take your medicine or tablet once daily. So that is a dose for you. That a
So like
particular
the time
medication.
you take it.
the time and the quantity that you are taking, and not more than that. It is
Yeah.
basically related to your quantity. Dose. Dose means quantity. I guess the answer is pretty clear over here.
Is it?
Yes. Mohammed, you are correct.
Yay.
So quick, waiting for your answer.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Dose means, and dose can be of anything. Like I say, you are not supposed to take more than 7 glasses of water in a day, or you're
Yeah.
supposed to take only 7 glasses of water in a day. So that is a prescribed dose or a quantity of water that is required. More than that or less than that can be harmful.
Uh,
Yes, it is related to the quantity.
Yeah. Like,
I will not help in this now. Let me see.
MSM? What's that?
That is a message.
Oh,
Short message service is
so like when you
equivalent to,
message someone.
you can say it message. We send message from mobile or using mobile.
Oh, like I got my answer.
me too. Wait,
Answer is correct. We require, or oven
Need
is
an oven to
required.
bake.
Yes. Good. Move on. Oh, this is interesting.
Wait, what?
this is interesting. Hmm.
What are the dots for?
So 9:16.
So what will be 49 is 2?
Wait, you. Oh,
If 9 is to 16, what will be 49 equivalent to? What is the
I feel
similarity?
like I get this.
Did I get it correct?
What?
No.
No.
Satvik, have you sent your answer?
Yeah.
What?
Okay. Okay.
What?
What make you feel that the answer is E?
I saw it added 7.
No, why you added 7? There is nothing to see. Square of 3,
Um. Oh.
Hmm.
Oh. Square of 3.
square of
9.
4,
Oh. Oh.
16.
Yeah. Oh.
Square
So it
of
means
7 is 49.
Oh. So it'll be.
So, do you have any square over here?
no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, 8 times
Let's
8.
see.
Wait, what? Oh yeah.
Yeah. All right. Oh, I
So, the
didn't
correct
see
answer
that.
is
I
64.
didn't see like the squares.
Okay, 63, 18. If 63 is to 80, what was the relationship of 15?
63 is to 80. Okay.
Here you have to again apply a formula, that is 8 times 8 is how much?
8
64.
times 8 is 64.
64 minus 1 will give you what?
63.
63. We have
Would
80 over here. 80. If we are subtracting 1, that means a number is 81 over here.
Yeah,
And
81.
9
Wait,
times
what?
9 is how much?
9 times 9 is 80.
Oh, so it's 1. Take away
1
the
minus
square.
80. Yes, so it is 80. In the same
For my
way,
answer.
this number must be 16. Yes? 4 times 4 is
What?
16. 16 minus 1 is 15.
I
Yeah.
got mine wrong. I accidentally wrote the wrong answer.
So we have to find a number which is a square and less than 1.
Oh, okay.
Wait, I don't get it. So, like,
This should have been
I get the
24 and
minus
not
1 part.
25.
I mean, like, I don't get where you get 8 times 8.
No, it's none of these. It's none
Actually,
of
it is
these.
none of these. Yes,
So I did write it.
it is none of these, or this option should have been 24 and not 25. Then we would have got 25 times 5 is 25, and 25 minus 1 is 24. The answer is none of these. Who has sent me so many messages? Yes, Mohammed, you were correct,
Yeah.
but you were not sure.
Yeah, I thought I did something wrong, but then I found out at the last second that I got correct. Before you said that.
Okay.
Okay, this one's easy.
I can't see it.
You can't see it? 36
Yeah, I'm
is to
looking.
63?
Oh, yeah, I can see it. Oh,
We are on question 11.
yeah, I can see it. That's easy.
I know.
Like, who won't know this?
Okay, this was easy.
The numbers are flipped.
Yes, they are reversed. 36 is to 11.
Question 12.
Hey, I think I've got it. What's happening? Um,
Wait,
No, it is not none of these.
huh?
This was
I
a
don't
bit
care.
tricky.
I don't
So,
care.
See, what
See?
they have done basically over here. 6 square of 6 is 36.
E-
yeah,
Okay.
No,
yeah.
What is a number smaller than 6? Reverse, backward. It is 5. Yes?
yeah.
Mm.
Yes. 6 plus 5 is how much?
11.
6 plus 5.
11.
11, yeah.
11. So 36 is to 11. 8 times 8 is 64.
Yeah.
8 plus 7 is how much?
Oh, yeah.
8 plus 7 is
15.
15.
15. So we will get 15 over here.
Oh.
Oh, this one was really hard.
Okay, have you done ratio and proportion?
No, but
You
I've
haven't.
heard of ratio. It's like when you have like 1 is equal to 49, so how much is 7?
Yes. Okay, we'll be doing it, math. Don't worry. Try to find out the relationship between these two. Take your time. I will not help you. Please do not rush. Okay, just try to figure out the logic they have applied over here. Ahmad, have you sent me the answer?
No.
Okay. This is easy.
I
Try
feel
to
like
figure it out.
I can get it. Yeah, it's really hard for me.
If I'll tell you the logic, then you'll be like, oh, it was that easy.
Don't tell me, I'll find it.
Yes, today in this question, I will not help you. I will not help both of you because this is easiest. Sometimes we are too much into complex thing that we often go in depth where we are not supposed to go in depth.
Okay.
No calculation is required over here. This
Wait
is a
a
hint.
second.
So no
Yeah.
calculation.
No calculation is required.
How?
No addition, division, multiplication is required.
Not even cube numbers or square.
Oh, is it?
Such a big hint I have given. In spite of that thing, you both are.
What's the hint?
No calculation is required. What is the similarity between 13, 17, 23? Do you see any
Oh,
similarity
wait,
over here?
is it 29?
Yes.
Yay, fine.
Why it is 29?
Because
It's an odd number.
13 and 17 are both in between 10 and 20. So that's the same thing with 20 and 30.
No, because they all are prime numbers.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was calculating it. I was
Why
doing
you
that.
didn't tell me? Why you didn't tell me?
No, because I would have told him.
All of them are
was-
prime numbers.
Totally
I was
forgot that logic.
calculating what was the next prime number.
See, That's what I told you, that at times there is no big thing. We make it so complex that we are in so much of depth that we don't even see the simplest question.
Mm.
This was so easy.
No, because there was so many hard questions before it.
That
And we
makes
thought
it
it
so
would get
hard.
harder.
Yes. Okay. How many prime numbers are there between 1 and 100?
1 and 100.
Oh, wait a
uh,
second. I think I know this.
I need the piece of paper.
No, you don't need a piece of paper and pen. You just should know it. How many? Do not Google it.
I
Mohammed,
need to think.
Wait, what?
25.
Wait. So,
Who asked you?
I wasn't even
Who
talking.
asked? Who asked me? Okay. Now your homework is that you will write all the prime numbers between 100 and 1 and 100. This is your punishment now.
For me or for him?
Both of you. Okay, let's go to question number 14 now.
Oh, this looks fun.
So why did it go from there to that big number? Let's see.
That means this number has got some relationship with 3.
Wait a second. I think I know this.
Okay, I think I got it.
So is it a simple question? Right.
Yes, it is. See, if this number is given with 3, that means there is some kind of correlation between 3 and 81.
Wait. There could
Yeah.
be a relation. I actually haven't.
3 times 17 is 81.
3 times 17 is 81. Or 3 times 27 is 81.
Oh yeah, 27, sorry.
So that means. Wait a second.
Yeah, I know that already, but
Yeah, and then there's just that middle one.
what?
Shall I help
I
you?
feel like I got it. I feel like.
Yes. Yeah.
Satvik, you were on the correct answer, but you were a bit. Okay, how much is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3?
Wait, no. Sorry.
Oh. Oh, so it's
27.
oh.
18.
Oh, okay.
So
Oh,
how much is 6 times 6 times 6 times 6?
36 times 36. Wait.
6 times 6 times 6 times.
You reached till, Satvik, you reached till 27. You could have multiplied. Yeah, you told me the answer. How we get 27? 3 times 3 times 3, yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
You work so close to the answer, to the logic.
I know I was gonna say it.
But what's 3 means 6 times 6 times 6 times 6?
You have to do it and you have to tell me, DM me.
Okay, that's what I'm doing.
Mohammed, you also DM me.
What?
Direct message me.
6 times 6 times 6 by.
Oh, I got it. It's this one.
Yes. Let Satvik also give the answer, then we'll move on to the next question.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Me think. 6 times 6 times. Okay.
Simply 36 times 36, Satvik.
Can't you just do 36 times 36?
Oh, yes. Oh, 36 times 36.
Yes, what is your answer?
Or you could have just 6 times 6 times 6 and then times that number by 6.
Wait,
Satvik, did you do it or
So
not?
like 18.
so is it 100 and one? I mean 1,200 and 96.
Yes.
Yes, that is the answer. So
15.
easy, such a easy peasy question, and you both are.
Yeah, that wasn't easy.
Yes. Okay, now I will not help you.
So, oh, this one's easy.
Let's see.
Wait a second.
Okay, so what's that?
And yes, I got another thing.
Is there any
Oh
common
yes, I
factor?
got it. I got it.
Satvik, is there any common factor between 64 and 6?
Yeah, they're both can be squared.
Yes, and then they can be further simplified also.
Oh, I get this.
And 4.
Oh no, I got something else. Oh,
But 27 is not a square. So that means we are not looking for square over here.
Yeah, that's what I
I
just
feel like I
saw.
got the answer.
No, that is
What?
not the answer, Mohammed.
So, what is common between that number and that?
If I'll tell you each and every answer, then what will you do?
Not
But
learn.
that's how we learn, right?
But for every question, I am making you learn, right? I am
Yeah.
spoon feeding, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So why don't you just try it?
Yeah, that's what we're doing. No,
You are giving up so easily, Satvik. I didn't expect that thing from
I
you.
didn't give up.
That's why you're asking me to help.
When did I do that?
Just now you said that, okay, let us do the.
Why?
Okay, the
No.
common fact. Okay, I'm not telling. Thank you, Mama. for motivating me not to tell the answer.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, and I got into a dead end.
oh, okay. I'm getting somewhere.
Good.
Huh. Uh,
Zen would have been here. It would have been really good for him, you know. He missed this session.
I said.
Satvik, you are simply sitting and you're not finding the
I'm
answer.
actually looking. I'm trying.
Okay.
mhm. I know.
Wait a second. Select. How
Mm.
many? How many? 16?
Oh.
How many 16? So you have to go a little bit more down. Times 4, for example. Wait a second. Yeah, I got into a dead end.
Is it correct?
It's something to do with common factors.
Yes, you are close.
Wait, actually,
The common factor of 64 and 16.
oh, that means I can get this.
Yeah, I know what it is.
A common factor.
It is definitely not 8. The
Is my is my answer correct?
Let me see. No, Satvik.
The common factor. I know the common factor now.
Yes, you know the common factors now. So I'm not talking about the least common factor, but I'm talking about the, yes, low common factor.
Wait a second, I might get this. 64. So that means, yep, I don't know.
Okay. Okay. How much is 3? No, wait. Why I'm writing 3?
No, I need to find out the lowest common factor first.
Lowest common factor would be 2. But I'm not talking about the, oh, I'm sorry, least is 2. Okay. So how much is, where did my pen go?
Oh, not this again. 4 cubed?
How
Yeah,
much is 4 cube and 4 square?
Why is cubed and squared just common?
I know what squared is, but let me do cubed.
And how much is 3 cube and 3
Cubed is
square?
64.
Can you? Fine, I'll do it.
4 times 4 is, I already know it. 4 times 4 times 4, I already know it. 3 times 3, I already know it. 3 times 3 times 3, I already know it.
3 times 3 times
So
3.
4 times 4 is 14.
16.
Sorry, 16. 16 times 4 is 64.
64.
Yeah, that's what I got.
And 16. So we got this. and 27 and 9.
And
Why cube
yeah.
numbers?
And we say we love math.
Why is there so many cubes and
I'm just gonna focus on squared and cube this whole lesson. If I
Next
need-
question
Me
definitely
too.
will not be of squares and cubes.
If I need to.
Okay, let's see.
Oh,
what is going on?
wait, what the? What? I already
What?
got the answer. My answer has a 0 before it, so don't mind it. Because as
No, that is not the answer.
how?
No, Satvik.
What's going on, so?
Satvik, you're so clever. What did you do? They have written double 4 times 2, so I'll make it at half and I'll write only 2. No.
That's what I know. That's what I was thinking about.
Okay. What if I say that you go in reverse? 22 is to 2. What is the relation? What is the common factor?
Divided by 11.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, that means
So, so,
don't
so
tell us.
double 2
What's that?
divided by 11. What will you get?
Divided by 11. 1 second.
I got it. I got it. It's this one.
Double
No.
2.
What?
So double 2? 22,222 divided by 11.
That makes no sense.
You both are not dividing it.
What?
You are
You said
simply
divide.
Satvik.
I think I've got my answer.
Yes, tell me please.
Should I tell you what I did?
How can you? Yes, Satvik. Now you got it correct.
No, I split the number in half.
2 by 11.
I split the number in half. 22 and 22.
I wrote. Wait, what? Where did you get?
Okay, let me explain you using the long division method.
That's what I was doing. Like 20,
You didn't do.
22 divided by 11. It is 2. So 2 times 11 is 22. Subtract it, 0, 0. You bring down the 2. Can't do it. 22 divided by 11 is 2. 2 times
Mohammed
11
C.
is 22 and 0.
Mohammed C. 11 times 2 is 22. Yes.
Yeah,
I'll subtract from this place. Yes. So
yeah.
0 and 0. Then I bring number 1 at a time down. I wrote 2. Being a smaller number, I cannot divide 2 by 11. So I'll put a 0 over here and I'll bring
Oh
the
my god. I forgot that.
second number also. So again, it will be 2 and 2. That's why it is 2, not 2 or 202.
I split the number
I
in
need to
half.
work a
22
lot
and
more on
22.
this. A
Then
lot.
I detached it, then
We will start with math.
I think we're doing maths, not verbal reasoning.
None. Oh, yeah.
That's why I am coming to know about the loopholes, how good we are into maths.
So 6 to 64. What's the relation? What happened to the number? What
I'll tell
happened?
you. If I'll tell you,
Yeah.
Don't tell. Don't tell. One, two. I think I got the answer. I think. I'm not sure.
Wait. How?
Oh, got my answer. Got my answer.
So 6 to 64. 6 times 8.
Satvik, you are correct.
Yes.
Mohammed, I'm waiting for your answer.
Okay.
How did you do that, Mohammed?
Oh, I did it wrong. Sorry. Wait, so 6 to 64. What's in common? Yeah, I don't get anything like in this question.
Satvik, how did you get that answer?
Okay. So first I checked for squares.
Okay.
I saw 64 and I knew
Yes.
that it was 8 squares.
Yes.
And
Yes.
8 is plus 2.
Very
So I
good.
plus 2, 9 to make 11 and then squared 11.
Yes. So if we have 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, and 11 square is 121. Absolutely right. Finally.
It was
Okay.
pretty hard
Yeah.
for me.
Okay.
You forgot to
It's
look
okay.
for squares.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll practice more and we'll get it. Okay.
Okay.
Nothing to worry about, nothing to rush about. In our class, remember that we need to take time, okay? We have to know, we don't have to rush and no competition among each other, okay? Because we
Okay.
are here to learn, okay? So take your time, okay? I'll be sending few questions based on these things and the few questions that we have already done. So please work them, okay? Just do not by heart the answers, but please try to work them in your notebook so that you have a solution. Okay?
So should we send our homework or will we do it in the class?
I can ask anytime.
Oh yeah.
What
Okay?
about the prime numbers from 1 to 100?
We'll be doing it in a class. That you
Okay.
have to do. Yes, that is a homework. That is a punishment homework.
Do we have to remember it by heart or do we have to
Just
write it
write
in
it
our...
down, then I'll make you remember it by heart. I'll tell you the
Okay.
trick, but first I want those numbers from you. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
See you next class.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.